tech support.
We use information technology in our everyday life nowadays. It created endless possibility for almost everything. Our homes to office to transportations, everywhere we are using different types of technologies. In the last few years, evaluation of technology has skyrocketed. It became a necessity of human life which we cannot live without. Especially improvement of information tech has evolved. Current digital system as computers, smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches has evolved faster than we could ever imagine. Stay connected with us. We will try to solve IT problems that you guys are having on your daily life.